Hey guys, we are awaiting the eclipse. I'm here with my mom and dad. We are about to watch the Total Eclipse 2024. Got our glasses, solar eclipse glasses, and yeah. So right now there's a partial covering, and eclipse is when the moon covers the sun, and right now it's partial, which you can only see with the glasses.
Yeah, it's great to be part of the history.
Yeah,
It's something that comes once in a while. So it's good to be part of the history. Yeah. We thank God for all this.
The glass needs the tape.
the glasses, they're falling off.
Beautiful.
We are lucky because we are in the line of totality, which means that is when the moon is going to cover the sun completely. And yeah, we're excited. So that was it. I hope y'all saw that change, y'all. It was crazy, but in a really good way. Eclipse 2024. I'm so happy I got to see it. And as you can see right now, the sky is slowly getting brighter. You can see the colors changing, but wow, once in a lifetime experience. I hope you got to see the eclipse wherever you are, but this is very awesome. Definitely once in a lifetime experience for sure. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next eclipse in a couple of years.